Beach day, beach day. Hey guys, what do you think of this beach? Ooh, what do you think of this beach?
Nice.
Nice day to go to the beach.
Yeah.
In the winter time.
Yep. It's a really nice day.
Hey, so we're in Delaware, in Cape Henlopen State Park. Right, Lisan?
Maybe.
You don't know where the park is? But right over the dune is the beach. Hey, I just heard the water. Did you? I heard a wave. And it's really beautiful out here. It's mid-November, but it's really warm. So it's a great day to come to the beach. The trail was really nice. We're almost at the beach. Let's see. Hey, I see the water. I see the water.
Yeah.
You can hear the water?
Hear it.
I can see it.
Oh, you can see it. Yep.
And it's so beautiful. Let's look.
What do I do?
Wow, that's such a beautiful beach. Actually, this is really nice. What do you think, Will?
Yeah, it's nice.
Does it meet the approval of a Jamaican?
Oh, I don't know about that.
Is it better than Jersey beaches?
Yeah.
The people are over there.
How's your beach day?
It's nice. It's nice and relaxing.
Let's see, the kids over there playing. And the beach is right in front of us. Apparently you're a little chilly.
Yeah.
I'm not chilly. I'm wearing short sleeve shirts. And I think for mid-November, this is as good as it gets.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's a really nice day. It's just a chilly breeze, but you know, I always run cold, so.
Okay. We'll use that sometimes. Right?
Yeah.
So, what do you think? This is nature outing.
I like it. It's a nice getaway. Nice to, you know, get outside of the house and get outside of the responsibilities that we have staring at us in the face. And so it's just a nice change of scenery, as usual.
We don't, we have responsibilities.
Yep.
I don't know about you, I'm pretty free right now. My class ended yesterday, so I won't have to tend to my teaching duties for another 2 months about. So feeling a little bit of free. And so what do you think of this outdoor lifestyle that we just discovered this year?
I think I like it. I was gonna say I like it more than I thought I would.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And you didn't even want to come this weekend.
Nope.
I didn't have to convince her, but I did have to suggest and make a case. Say hi.
Hi, but Daddy,
Yes. Tell me the bad news.
the bad news is that someone was murdered.
Oh, okay. What's the good news?
The good news is I found it.
Good, good. All right, why don't you go see what they're doing? Look, they're in the water. All right, so beach day today. We're gonna go set a campfire a little bit.
Yeah. Honestly, I think the campfire is my favorite part. Roasting the marshmallows and then sitting outside and setting up the projector outside and watching watching a little something outside in front of the bonfire and the marshmallows. I like that. I think that's my most favorite part.
Okay, that's the kind of glamping that you're looking for. All right, well, we'll talk more next to the bonfire.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
Bye from the beach.